Just go through the electrophilic substitution reactions. So generally benzene undergoes which type of reactions, Rana? Benzene. So benzene is actually aromatic compounds, right? Aromatic compounds. Right, in ancient days, in olden days, so all sweet smelling compounds are aromatic compounds. But esters are also sweet smelling. Esters. Esters are not aromatic compounds even though they are having the sweet smelling. అన్ని స్వీట్ స్మెల్ వచ్చాయని అరోమాటిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అని చెప్పారు. బట్ ఎస్టర్స్ స్వీట్ స్మెల్ ఉండేసరికి మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారు మన వాళ్ళు? అరోమాటిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్ చెప్పాను కదా నేను. వాట్ షుడ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ అరోమాటిక్ కాంపౌండ్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్? Compound should be cyclic, they should have the planar, they have the conjugation or resonance, continuous conjugation or resonance which obeys the Huckels rule. What is Huckels rule? 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So what exactly the 4n plus 2 pi electrons? N is equals to, if you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, n is equals 0, 2 pi electrons. N is equals to 1, 6 pi electrons. N is equals to 2, 10 pi electrons, so on. N is equals to 3, 14 pi electrons. Right, Nana? So these are the aromatic compounds. Generally benzene is a perfect aromatic compound. So benzene ring. Benzene is 6-membered ring, right? Cyclic, continuous resonance is there. Compound is planar, all carbons are in the same plane. And 6 pi electrons, it's a perfect aromatic compound. Right? I already discussed. And what is the anti-aromatic compounds? Same as it is, Nana. But what exactly we should? For anti-aromatic compounds, compound should be cyclic, compound should be planar, right? Same compound should have the resonance and 4 pi electrons. If they are having the 4 pi electrons, the compounds are anti-aromatic compounds. The compound is not possessing these two, those were called as non-aromatic compounds. So aromatic, non-aromatic, anti-aromatic. I already discussed this. So come on, in a fast mode. So let me know which is aromatic, which is not aromatic, which is anti-aromatic. I already discussed this. This as a put as a homework. Well miss అయిందా అర్థమైంది. ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ వేసేసాయి. మన కాపీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసేసుకో. హలో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ బెంజిన్ is one of the important topic. Preparation of benzene. How can we prepare benzene? From alkynes, from alkanes. 6 an hexane, right? So when Al2O3 plus Cr2O3 or V2O5 or MO2O3, molybdenum trioxide, any of these if we can use, directly we can get benzene. If you are taking the N-hexane, this is N-hexane. Okay, N-hexane. If you are taking the N-hexane, so Al2O3, Cr2O3 or V2O5 or MO2O3, you get benzene. Then next, if you are taking heptane, N-heptane, N-heptane, same, will get toluene. N-octane also we can take. So we'll get different types of products right here. Either we can get ethyl benzene, or you can say orthodimethyl benzene, orthoxylene we could say, pentaxylene, paraxylene, anything is possible. Like that compounds, para also is possible. These are from preparation from alkanes is a benzene ring. So particularly benzene case, so we'll use N-hexane. The last class which I told you from alkynes, write it down this. Next, from alkynes, cyclic polymerization takes place, right? Last class we discussed cyclic polymerization. Okay, so 3 alkynes we have to take like this. What exactly happens? Cyclic polymerization of the pi bond is coming like this. Red hot iron tube, red hot iron tube will get benzene. This is the second preparation method. From carboxylic acids, from benzoic acid for example. What is this? From benzoic acid. How can we prepare from benzoic acid? Let me know. How can we prepare? So we need to remove the COOH. Decarboxylation. So NaOH plus CaO. NaOH plus CaO. That is nothing but soda lime. Soda lime. Right? We get benzene. Yeah. Fourth one, from phenol. From phenol. If you are using the zinc dust, zinc will get benzene. Will get benzene. Next, from BDC now, benzene diazonium chloride salt. BDC means benzene diazonium chloride salt. When BDC, we can treat it in three ways. We can use H3PO2, okay, H3PO2, also will get benzene, or lithium aluminum hydride, also will get benzene. Otherwise, we can use ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol also will get the benzene. Write it down. Even from Grignard reagent also we can prepare. Or from Grignard reagent, MgBr. For example, if you are using the water or any proton donor, you'll get benzene. So the benzene reactions which I already told you, right? Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, nitration, sulfonation, all. Write the products. Come on, write the products. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation. Right, remaining I already explained, just go through the electrophilic substitution which I already did. Go through the NCERT textbook line to line, okay? So anything is doubt, because more than NCERT I explained, but even the NCERT line to line would be better, okay? Just go through the NCERT. If any reaction is, if I didn't explain, please let me know, I'll explain once again. So in the benzene ring, so benzene case cyclic polymerization, benzene, so naphthalene, anthracene. Structure of benzene. Just go through the point to point, okay? So these are all aromatic compounds I already explained. Naphthalene, anthracene I didn't do, but cyclic polymerization ethine we did already. So decarboxylation NaOH plus CaO, phenol with zinc, right? Their chlorination, sulfonation, chemical properties, nitration, Friedel-Crafts acylation, acetic anhydride also we can take. So these two, one extra reaction, write it down. To this is this one. కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది కదా? రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. బెంజీన్ ప్లస్ 6Cl2 anhydrous AlCl3 hexachlorobenzene. These two reactions also important. Write it down. Addition reactions, no? Benzene generally does not undergo addition reactions, but extreme conditions, right? High temperature and pressure conditions, nickel, so cyclohexane we will get, and whereas in sunlight hexachlorobenzene, this we are called as gamaxine. మనం చీమల మందు వేస్తాం కదా, ఇదే చీమల మందు తెలుసా? గమాక్సిన్, hexachlorobenzene. ఇక్కడ కార్సినోజెనిసిటీ అండ్ టాక్సిసిటీ రా, ఇవి కొన్ని ఎక్స్ట్రా కాంపౌండ్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. ఇవి ఈ పర్టికులర్ వన్. సో బెంజీన్ పాలీన్యూక్లియర్ ఈ కాంపౌండ్స్ రా, టాక్సిక్ నేచర్. Benzene and polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene rings like naphthalene, like that, used together toxic and said to be possess cancer producing agents. Carcinogenic means cancer producing, to form incomplete combustion of organic material like tobacco, coal, petroleum. They enter into the human body and undergoes various biochemical reactions, finally damage DNA and cause the cancer. Sometimes carcinogenic hydrocarbons are given below. So these are the carcinogenic hydrocarbons. So these are all what? Carcinogenic. 1,2 benzene, benzanthracene, 3-methyl alcohols. జస్ట్ ఒక ఐడియా పెట్టేసుకోండి, నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ కార్సినోజెనిక్ ఏజెంట్స్. సో ఎన్సీఆర్టీలో మ్యాక్సిమం లైన్ టు లైన్ ఫాలో కాండి. ఓకే, 90% ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ 90 కాదు, 100 అయిపోతుంది. ఎన్నో ఒక దగ్గర సమ్మరీ కానీ ఇట్లాంటి అండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా చేయండి రా. యూపీఎస్సీని ఫాలోయింగ్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అంటున్నారు. నాకు ఇవి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసి పంపించండి నాకు, ఓకేనా? So write the IUPAC names of these compounds. An alkane on ozonolysis gives a mixture of ethanol and pentone 3,1. Write the structure of IUPAC name compound. An alkane A contains 3 carbon bonds 3H. Write the IUPAC name. How will you convert benzene into para-nitrobenzene? Benzene to para-nitrobenzene, for example, have it is. Hello. మెటా ప్రోడక్ట్ వస్తారు. because NO2 is metadirecting group. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? బ్రోమినేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత నైట్రేషన్ చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? మెటా క్లోరో నైట్రోబెంజిన్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఇది చేసిన తర్వాత క్లోరినేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇది కరెక్ట్. తర్వాత పారానైట్రో టోలిన్. ఫస్ట్ ఆల్కైలేషన్ చేయాలి, తర్వాత నైట్రేషన్. ఎసిటోఫినోన్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఎసైలేషన్. CH3C డబుల్ బాండ్ వచ్చి. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయంటే 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయిరా. ఈ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు చేయాలా? చేస్తారా? ఈ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసి నాకు పంపించండి. సో లేదంటే నాకు చెప్పండి ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ కావాలో చెప్తే నేను ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను.